Today I'm showing you the one sports companion app that every sports fan needs installed right now, covering schedules, standings, match alerts, and so much more. Before we move further, important notice. The content in this video is strictly for educational and informational use. We do not store, upload, or share any copyrighted material. Every app featured here is freely available through official app marketplaces. It is the viewer's responsibility to follow their regional laws and only access content they are legally permitted to view. Always support the creators behind the content you enjoy by using authorized licensed services. Alright everyone, let's get straight into it. Starting from your Firestick home screen, head over to the search icon and type downloader. Look for the orange icon featuring the white letter D with a downward pointing arrow. That's the one you want. Go ahead and hit install. After installation is complete, launch the app. In the top left corner, tap the three horizontal bars to open the side menu. From there, scroll down to settings and look for the auto install APK option. Make sure that box is ticked. If it isn't, enable it now. Then return to the home screen. Next, move to the top right corner and tap the three dots. Confirm that both JavaScript and reload page options are active. If either one is switched off, turn them on. Then go ahead and exit the downloader app. Now we need to make a couple of changes inside your main Firestick settings. Navigate to Settings, then tap on My Fire TV. On the following screen, position your cursor over Fire TV and press the center OK button on your remote exactly 7 times. This unlocks developer mode on your device. If yours is already enabled, you will see a message confirming that, just like mine does. Head back and open developer options. Switched on ADB debugging, then go into install unknown apps. Locate downloader in that list and flip the toggle to on. Your Firestick is now configured and ready for third-party app installation. Return to your apps, reopen downloader and type the following code into the URL bar. 9901459. The app will immediately connect to the source and begin the download. Simply follow the setup prompts on screen. And when you reach the final step, tap Done. That's all it takes. You have now got one of the most popular sports companion apps fully installed and ready to go.